Oh, guys, took a loss today. Very unfortunate loss, very pattern traded, but I still did stick to my rules. It just wasn't the right bias today. It wasn't the right narrative at all. I was initially bearish into market open. You know, we tapped this opening gap. We had an S&T. It was so clearly bearish today. And we're obviously dumping like this displacement, rebalance displacement here. Entries could have occurred off market open, but you can't like, it's so hard to test out market open because it can just reverse up. But the next entry we had was here, where this initial displacement move, big rebalance up and then displacement again. But what I was thinking was, I was scared because we took out this low, and I was scared that I was scared that NQ would have reversed off this, and this would have been a valid order block. So I could have had my entries here and targeted 18 points, but that would have been a horrid trade. I was like thinking of entering short during this candle as like a discretionary entry somewhere here, stops above that wick, targeting the that Asia low, which would have been a perfect trade looking back at it, but I just hesitated purely that there's no reason why we would reverse off such a random low, especially since we had such a high time frame manipulation occur and that we respected the opening gap. Like, it was so clearly bearish today, so clearly bearish, and then we displaced and we took out the lows. And then where I lost was I entered longs off the sweep of Asia lows, but ES wanted to continue going down. So somewhere here, once ES took out that low, I was expecting some kind of reversal. I had my entry here, stops were like here, and then my take profit was like a 1-to-1, something like that. I had like the standard deviation open. I low-key wanted to see something like this. I wanted to see that get taken out for a 1.33, something like this. We got good initial displacement, but we were coming off this S&T here. We had an S&T here, internal manipulation, just so clearly shorts. This is just a pattern traded long. I saw the displacement, saw rebound, saw displacement, but we're coming from internal manipulation. We're coming from the -2 of the standard deviation, and we're just so bearish off open. There's no way we're going to reverse, especially since we had such a high time frame draw get met. So these longs are just completely invalid, so clearly bearish, and I just stuffed up my bias today. That's all that it was. It wasn't emotional. I'm very glad I didn't take emotional trades. I thought it'd be longs here, and it just very clearly wasn't, coming from such a strong area of manipulation. You know, this is all PXL as well. This is all respecting PXL, so I should have only been bearish on the day. But since I missed this, I'm like, I don't want to firm it into shorts anymore. But we clearly just wanted to continue going down, obviously. So, just a loss. It is okay. Gonna take it on the chin and just do better. Just do better next time. That's all that I can do. Clearly all I can do. I got kind of thrown off because ES was above these lows, but we obviously wanted to meet the target on both, and that's what cooked me. But it's okay. So all goods. Gonna come into tomorrow, see if I can make this back. A pretty big loss, 600. I decided to size up since I won 2 trades, but I got smacked. So once again, it just shows that I have to stop hesitating my entries, because I could have caught this. I could have caught 40 something points, and I would have been done with my day, and we would have won in like 3 minutes. But I hesitated and decided to catch just a wrong narrative trade, and that's okay. Journaled it. We're going to post this recording, and we're going to do better. We're going to do more work tomorrow. We're going to focus up, lock in, and yeah, see you later.